The value of A and B given in the subtraction given below are dash and dash. A04 minus BA8 is B66. Wonderful. Now we're going to go digit by digit. We will borrow from here. So this goes off to minus 1. This goes to 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Obviously again we'll borrow. This will become A minus 1. This will become 9. 9 minus A is 6. When I'm doing this digit, or A is 3. Or we have 304 minus B38 giving us B66. 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. This becomes 2 after having lent something to this place. 2 minus B again gives me B, or B should be 1. 304 minus 138 is 166. This works. A is 3, B is 1. That choice works.